What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Galaxy Watch Ultra from Samsung. Now, I got a couple of watch bands here that I wanted to check out from a company called loloclubbuy.com. Well, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can pick up these bands, but you see this company on Instagram and a lot of social media. So I reached out to them and they sent me over these two watch bands for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now, one of them is a stainless steel band and the other one is a leather band. Now, these run about anywhere from $40, $60 depending on when you pick it up. But the first one that we're going to check out is this stainless steel joint here. Now, this is going to look nice. I think though I wish they would have sent me the black titanium one because it would go better with my Galaxy Watch Ultra, which is also like a darker color. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the watch band that came with the watch when I bought the watch from Samsung. And then, well, let me show you the other one. This one is the blue leather. So these are both really, really nice. Look at that. Isn't that really, really nice? So let's try this. We're gonna do the leather one first. Which one you guys want to see first? The leather or the stainless steel? Okay, we'll do the leather. Sorry for the one, I'm sorry for the folks that wanted to do the stainless steel. So, oh, I like that. The orange, it kind of matches the watch face a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and put this here. Well, let me get this other one out. Now there's no anything else. It just comes with the watch band. I'm not gonna lie, the smell test is on point. So we're gonna go ahead and put on our pin on our watch. Put this on here. And I love these watches now because they're easy to put on the watch bands. Wow, this is nice. This does look good. Wow. This looks really, really nice. Whoa, this is super nice. Yes, and I like the way it smells. Smells like leather. Yes. Let me give you, look at that, huh? Yeah, that's a good look. That's a good look. And if you get the leather one, you can, this is a tactical leather band for the Samsung Watch Ultra. Now it comes in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 7 colors, but they only have 6 right now. They're pretty nice. It was pretty easy to install, not hard at all. It's just the simple fact that you don't have to make it bigger or smaller. And then you see you got that look there. Yeah, there you go. There's the look. Let's get that. Look at that. That's clean looking, huh? I reached out to this company because I wanted to try something different because this is such a nice watch. I really do like this watch a lot. It's the best Android watch ever made. The Apple Watch Ultra is really good. So no hate there. And we're gonna put this in here. This is really easy. Just gonna hold down the button there. That clips on. Put the other side on here. Hold the button down. There we go. Now, yes, we got stainless steel, but I gotta get the black titanium. I gotta tell them because that black titanium would look hot. Oh, this one, I may not have to adjust this. Ooh, I don't know if they have different sizes or what. Oh yeah, this is definitely loose. So as you can see, it's got these like little levers there. And we're gonna, woo, see that? Came right off, very simple. So you probably just take off, let's take off one from each side. How about that? And then we're gonna do the other side. Pretty simple. Just kind of pull on the lever, take that off. We'll take off one piece here. So we'll take one from each side. I'm gonna take two, see if that works. All right, so I ended up taking 6 links off, but it's very easy because it has this little system here where you just bloop, pop it off. So there's the final product. I wish I would have got the black, but that's okay. I'm gonna try to get the black later on. But for now, I could rock the stainless steel. Now, this is, according to their website, grade 2 titanium folding buckle. So you basically have a buckle that kind of folds and then snaps in place, and then you're good to go. This band fits wrist sizes anywhere from 140 to 220 millimeters, or 5.5 to 8.7 inches. So depending on how big your wrist is, but I had to take quite a few out. But I think this looks I think it looks nifty. I don't hate it. I don't hate this silk, this stainless. I'm thinking this is all right. And then obviously if you want to get the leather to go a little more, this is more that, got that stainless, and then you get the leather. And they have quite a few bands on their website. So if you want to check it out, this is really nice. Leather material here, got stainless steel here in this buckle. And this one fits anywhere from 5.5 to 9 inches, or 140 to 230 millimeters. So, but this one's kind of cool. But yeah, I kind of wanted to do the video on this so that you guys can kind of see the stainless steel. And yeah, this is not bad. I like it. But like I said, drop down in the description so you guys can pick this up and get involved, because this is hot looking. loloclubbuy.com. I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can pick this up. Thanks so much for watching.